Hi everybody, I have great news for you. We have really eye-catching materials that are brand new in BrandSrv that can help you promote your outgoing referral business. Now to get to BrandSrv, all you have to do is go to My CB Desk and click on the BrandSrv link. Now that link will open up, and if it's your first time here, then you will have to register. But if you've been here before and after you register, this is what you'll see. If you go to the upper right hand corner and you just type in 3 letters OGR and hit search, you'll be brought to the new materials. The new materials that I'm referencing is right over here, the 2020 Lead Generation OGR campaign. Simply click on that and you'll be able to customize it for you so that you can add these eye-catching materials to your social media platforms to draw outgoing referral business your way. Just simply go to the Customize button over here, and this is where you'll be able to customize, and you'll see there are 6 options for you to choose from on the right hand side here. And what you want to do first is go to the DBA logo and select CBR. So type in CBR and Coldwell Banker Realty will pop up there. Select that so that the logo for our company goes onto this piece for you. Then select which image you would like to use. I'm going to go with image 5, option number 5, just for our example here, and then hit generate proof. It will take a minute or less to generate this proof for you really quickly, and then you scroll down and you'll be able to view that proof, and you'll see it's really eye-catching, something that'll draw the attention of people that are visiting your social media pages. So we'll zoom out, take a look at it. Wherever your real estate needs take you, we're here for you. So really great messaging and images that you can use. So just go over to your orders again and under pending. If you're happy with that, you can move on to the next step. If not, you can edit it from there. But what you want to do is, if you're happy, just select that by checking off the checkbox next to the image that you want to download, and you're going to add that to your cart. Now you're going to add to the cart. It looks very much like an online shopping experience, but the good part here is that it's free. So then from that point, what you want to do is you're going to hit the continue button once that's in your cart. So your image is in your cart, you're going to hit continue, and we're at step 4 here, and this is your confirmation. So you want to make sure that they're confirming that you want to order this image, and you're going to place that order. And at that point, it's going to generate that file for you so that you're able to download it to your computer. And this is your receipt. You'll also get a notification from BrandSrv, which is behind my image there, letting you know that it is ready for you. And you can download the file right from there. Simple and easy. Once you hit download the file, it'll go onto your downloads. You can pick it up there and post it to any of your social media websites that you would like to post this to. So once you click on that download file, click on that image, and you'll be able to take a look at it, and there it is for you. Beautiful image, easy way for you to promote outgoing referral business, to draw business your way. So good luck. If you have any questions, reach out to me at 973-906-8591. Have a great day.